Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to add labels to surface and we will also add contours labels in Civil 3d. Contour labeling, actually the most common requirement is to place label on surface generated contours. In 10 desktop this was one of the last steps because a change to a surface required erasing and replacing all the labels. Once labels have been replaced, their styles can be modified. Contour labels in Civil 3d are created by special lines that understand their relationships with the surface. Everywhere one of these lines crosses a contour line, a label is placed. This label's appearance is based on the style applied and can be major, minor, and user-defined contour label. Each label can have styles selected independently, so using some AutoCAD selection techniques can be crucial to maintaining uniformity across a surface. In this exercise, we will add labels to surface and explore the interaction of contour labels, lines, and the labels themselves. Open your drawing for 1.5 from the description link. I will put the link, you can download, and select the EG surface in the graphics to display the TIN surface contextual tab. From the TIN contextual tab, labels and tables panel, choose add labels contour single. If you want to put the single label on any contour, you will use same command. Pick any spot on a major contour to add label. For example, here we have major contour and I want to put some labels on this contour. I will click here and you can see it is 240 meter contour. Press enter when complete and press escape to clear the selection of your surface. From the annotate tab, here under the labels and tables panel, choose add labels and under the surface select contour multiple. If you want to select all these contours and want to put all labels at once, then you will use this command. Pick a point to the west of the site and then second point should be to the south of the site, crossing the number of contours in process, or you can do as per your own. Just press enter to end the picking. From the annotate tab, labels and tables panel, add labels to display the add label dialog box and verify that feature is set to surface and label type should be contour multiple at interval. We will use this command because we want to put our contour labels on multiple intervals on each contour, so we can use same command multiple contours and interval. Now click the add button down here, pick a point to the west side of the site and then second point to the north of the site. Sorry, the first one you should put here and then another here, but for this time it's not matter, you can put here, and it will ask for the interval along the contours. You can put 60 as contour interval on command line and just press enter. Now save drawing and keep it open for the next portion of the exercise. You have now labeled your site in 3 ways. to get contours labels in a number of different locations. You will need additional labels to the northwest and southwest to complete the labeling, because we did not cross these contours object with your contour label line. The contour label line is a handy tool. It has grips, so you can use the stretch it over other contours which produce additional labels. So you can also stretch it for the purpose of relocating labels. You can also copy the label lines to other location, and you can also using the properties dialog, you can turn it off and turn it off by default on the setting tab, also by surface branch in featuring settings. However, if a contour label is selected, you can also use the grips will reveal, which you can use to manipulate the position of label. So in the next exercise we will use little different method using contour grips to modify these labels, and we can also annotate our surfaces by these grips.